This is Nokia C31, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up a VPN connection on this device. So to begin with, we will need to download and install the free app that will allow us to do that pretty conveniently if you ask me. The app's name is TurboVPN. First of all, let me quickly confirm my account sign in since the Google decided to randomly run some check, but whatever, I'll just quickly enter my password. Already, finally it have let me through. So now we will just quickly download the Turbo VPN app. Here is the one. So just wait for it to download itself and install itself as well. Now we can just go ahead and launch the app, then tap at the green continue button. Then skip this ad and tap at the caret icon to finally connect your phone to VPN. Skip the ad once again, and as you can see by the silky sign at the status bar, we have successfully established the VPN connection. Now while at it, you can change the server or country or even the city that you are connected to. So I'll reconnect myself from Netherlands to Germany. Finally, if you are done with whatever is that you were doing and ready to be disconnected from VPN, just tap at the cross sign, choose the disconnect option, and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.